Your heart has beaten more than 2 billion times by the age of 50, a faithful rhythm that's kept you alive, moving and loving. But here's the question. Will it keep beating strong for the next billion times? As we age, our heart quietly reflects our habits, what we eat, how we move, and how we live. The good news? It's never too late to strengthen it again. Today, we'll uncover 15 science-backed foods that protect, nourish, and even rejuvenate your heart after 50. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore how the right foods can literally change the rhythm of your heart. 1. Oats, the morning shield. A perfect start to the day begins with a warm bowl of oats. Oats are rich in beta-glucan fiber, a special compound that helps absorb bad cholesterol, LDL, from the bloodstream, cleanse artery walls, and improve blood flow. Studies show that eating just one bowl of oats per day can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 10%. Choose steel-cut or rolled oats instead of instant ones that are often loaded with sugar. You can make it tastier by adding ripe bananas, apples, berries, walnuts, or pure honey. It's not just a nutritious breakfast, it's a gentle gift for your heart, providing steady energy, reducing fatigue, and helping you start each morning clear-headed and full of vitality. 2. Fatty fish, the omega lifeline. If there's one food that could be called a natural miracle for your heart, it's fatty fish, like salmon, sardines, mackerel, or herring. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, powerful nutrients that help reduce inflammation, stabilize heart rhythm, and prevent atherosclerosis. Eating 2 servings per week can reduce the risk of fatal heart attacks by 36%, according to numerous clinical studies. To preserve their nutrients, try grilling, steaming, or lightly searing instead of deep frying. A golden piece of seared salmon with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of olive oil is not just delicious. It's a meal that nourishes your heart every day. Regularly eating fatty fish also boosts memory, reduces arthritis, inflammation, and improves sleep, all vital for a healthy midlife. 3. Leafy greens, the artery protectors. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard aren't just everyday greens. They're silent guardians of your cardiovascular system. They contain natural nitrates that help dilate blood vessels, improve circulation, and ease the heart's workload. Leafy greens are also rich in vitamin K, potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, which prevent calcium buildup in arteries and reduce chronic inflammation. Add them to your meals daily, stir-fried with olive oil, tossed into salads, blended in smoothies with apple and cucumber, or simmered in light soup. This simple habit doesn't just help lower blood pressure and cholesterol, it also gives you glowing skin and better digestion. A diet rich in greens is the quiet secret behind a youthful, resilient heart after 50. 4. Berries, the sweet antioxidant boost. When it comes to food for the heart, don't overlook the tiny but powerful berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. They're packed with anthocyanins, the natural pigments that give them their red and purple color, and their incredible antioxidant power. These compounds reduce arterial stiffness, prevent inflammation, and improve circulation. A glass of berry smoothie each day not only tastes great, but also lowers blood pressure, balances blood sugar, and protects heart cells from oxidative stress. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried, mixed with yogurt, oats, or smoothies. Their natural sweetness is a perfect alternative to processed sugar, letting you enjoy dessert without guilt. Small, colorful, and full of life, berries are nature's sweetest gift to your heart. 5. Nuts. Tiny heart guardians. Never underestimate the power of small things. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, pistachios, and chia seeds are packed with magnesium, fiber, and healthy fats, the golden trio for heart health. These nutrients reduce inflammation, regulate cholesterol, and keep your arteries flexible. Just a handful, about 30 grams a day, can significantly lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. And enjoy them as snacks, sprinkle them on salads, mix with yogurt, or add to your morning oatmeal. Choose unsalted, unsweetened nuts to get the most benefit. Beyond heart health, nuts also boost memory, improve skin, and support weight management. A small daily habit with a big impact, truly tiny guardians protecting your heart every day. Which of these foods do you eat most often each week? Share your favorite combination. Your comment might be featured in the next video. 6. Olive oil, the liquid gold. Olive oil is often called the liquid gold of the Mediterranean diet. And for good reason. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants that protect your arteries from damage, reduce inflammation, and lower bad cholesterol. Regular consumption of olive oil can improve blood vessel flexibility and even help regulate blood pressure naturally. To get the best benefits, always choose extra virgin olive oil and use it cold. Drizzle it over salads, soups, or steamed vegetables. Avoid frying, as high heat destroys its nutrients. Just 2 teaspoons a day can make a big difference for your heart's longevity. Think of every golden drop as a gift to your heart, nourishing it gently, one meal at a time. 7. Avocado. The creamy heart healer. Smooth, creamy, and full of nutrients, avocados are nature's perfect heart food. They're loaded with monounsaturated fats, potassium, and fiber, which help lower blood pressure, stabilize cholesterol levels, and prevent artery stiffness. Eating half an avocado a day provides enough healthy fat to protect your cardiovascular system and improve nutrient absorption from other foods. You can enjoy it mashed on whole grain toast, sliced into salads, or blended into smoothies. Avocado doesn't just nourish your heart. It keeps your skin glowing, your joints flexible, and your energy levels balanced. It's creamy, delicious medicine straight from nature. 8. Garlic. Nature's blood pressure. Garlic is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a natural remedy for your heart. Its active compound, allicin, helps widen blood vessels, improve circulation, and prevent blood clots. Studies show that aged garlic extract can lower blood pressure as effectively as mild medication without side effects. For the best results, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. This activates allicin. You can mix it with honey, add it to soups, or use it as a seasoning. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day can make a powerful difference. Simple, affordable, and incredibly effective. Garlic is truly nature's gift for a healthy heart. 9. Beans and lentils. The fiber. Warriors. Beans and lentils are humble yet mighty allies for heart health. They're rich in plant-based protein and soluble fiber, which help lower LDL cholesterol and regulate blood sugar. Replacing red meat with beans a few times a week can significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. Lentil soup, chickpea curry, or black bean salad all are satisfying, high-fiber meals that keep you full longer. They're also affordable, versatile, and perfect for anyone trying to follow a more heart-friendly, plant-based lifestyle. 10. Dark chocolate, 70% plus. The happy heart treat. Who says eating for heart health can't be sweet? Dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao contains flavonols that improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and support vessel function. Just 1 to 2 small squares daily can reduce heart disease risk without guilt. Choose low-sugar, high-cacao varieties for the most benefit. Beyond its heart perks, dark chocolate also boosts mood and helps reduce stress, another silent enemy of your heart. Enjoy it slowly, mindfully, and let each bite be a moment of joy and care. Do you prefer savory or sweet foods for your heart? Share below. Your answers might inspire future healthy recipes. 11. Green tea. The calming protector green tea has been celebrated for centuries as the drink of longevity, and for good reason. It's rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that reduce LDL cholesterol, boost metabolism, and help maintain a steady heart rhythm. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea daily can improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and keep your arteries young. To enjoy its full benefits, drink freshly brewed green tea, warm, not too hot, and without sugar. Add a slice of lemon if you like a light citrus twist. Beyond heart health, green tea also calms the mind, sharpens focus, and supports healthy aging. Each sip is like a gentle reminder that peace and vitality can come from simple daily rituals. 12. Tomatoes. The red shield. Bright, juicy tomatoes are a vibrant source of lycopene, a potent antioxidant that protects your arteries from oxidation and damage. Cooked tomatoes, such as in soups or sauces, release even more lycopene, making them an excellent daily heart food. Lycopene helps reduce arterial stiffness, lower bad cholesterol, and protect against high blood pressure. You can enjoy tomatoes fresh in salads or cooked with olive oil for better nutrient absorption. A bowl of tomato soup or a spoon of tomato sauce isn't just delicious, it's a comforting way to protect your heart with every meal. 13. Citrus fruits. The zesty cleansers. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are nature's refreshing cleansers for your heart. Packed with vitamin C and flavonoids, they help reduce plaque buildup, strengthen blood vessels, and boost collagen production for healthier arteries. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. It gently detoxifies your body and supports heart function. Snacking on fresh oranges or adding slices of grapefruit to salads adds both flavor and heart benefits. Their bright aroma doesn't just awaken your senses, it reminds your heart that freshness and vitality can be renewed every day. 14. Whole grains, the long-term stabilizers. Whole grains, such as brown rice, barley, oats, and quinoa, are the foundation of long-term heart health. They're rich in fiber, B vitamins, and minerals that help regulate blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and improve digestion. Unlike refined carbs, whole grains digest slowly, keeping your energy steady throughout the day and preventing spikes in blood pressure. Gradually replace white rice or bread with brown rice, and whole grain versions, your heart will thank you. A balanced bowl of whole grains isn't just fuel for your body, it's a quiet promise of strength and stability for years to come. 15. Turmeric, the golden anti-inflammatory. Turmeric, the golden spice of Asia, contains curcumin, a compound known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It helps reduce arterial inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect the heart from oxidative stress. To maximize absorption, always pair turmeric with black pepper, which can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Add a pinch to soups, curries, or make a soothing turmeric latte before bedtime. Warm, golden, and healing. Turmeric is the spice that reminds your heart to stay vibrant and strong, no matter your age. If you could pick one food to protect your heart for the next 10 years, which would it be? Let's build a community of heart-strong warriors. Your heart has worked faithfully for decades, beating over 100,000 times every single day without asking for rest. Now, it's your turn to give something back. These 15 foods aren't just ingredients. They're daily choices that whisper to your heart, I care about you. Start small, one new habit at a time. Maybe swap butter for olive oil or add walnuts to your oats. Each step is a seed for a longer, stronger, brighter life after 50. If this video inspired you, hit like, subscribe to Ever Bright Health, and share it with someone you love. And don't forget to comment your favorite heart-healthy meal, because when we share, we all grow stronger together.